The Department of City and Regional Planning is one of the oldest, largest, and best-known programs for graduate planning education and research in North America. We are located in the New East Building in the heart of the country's oldest state university, the beautiful University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Just off the lobby, we have the administrative suite, where students can seek guidance on financial aid, scheduling, and a host of other matters. Here they can also borrow equipment like laptops and mics for presentations and projects. Along with this equipment, students can book the interview room to ensure a quiet space is available for qualitative research, interviews, and other important program-related calls and conversations. Students also have access to a copy center and workstations throughout the building. Another useful space is the newly outfitted teleconference center, which is fully equipped for presentations where remote attendees can be seamlessly included. Ensuring students have all their technological needs covered, the department has an on-site computer lab with media, design, GIS, statistical, and other software available at each station.
All right. So today we're going to talk a little bit about big data, especially as it relates to smart cities, and we're going to talk a little bit about how these data sets are being created, how they are being used, and how they can be problematic in lots of different ways.
Some courses offer off-campus site visits.
This is impervious. If you came here at a right after a big storm, you would see tiny little gullies and things through the sand.
In addition to the hands-on learning that takes place in the computer lab, there are various classrooms in the building that support formal coursework and provide informal meeting space when not in use. New East's lobby serves not only as a conduit to learning spaces, but is itself a meeting place and leads to other communal spaces throughout the building. On the second floor, students can gather in the lounge. With day-use lockers and a kitchenette, they can take a moment out of their class schedule to have lunch, tea, or simply sit with friends and colleagues. The fourth floor provides similar accommodations for PhD students. The Chapin Reading Room is a central hub at New East and caters to multiple uses, including student study and meeting space. On many occasions, it has been used for departmental gatherings and esteemed guest lectures. The elevator is available to take you to the third floor, where most of our faculty have their offices. Our faculty are always willing to meet with students to advise on coursework, research, and employment opportunities. All 12 full-time tenure and tenure-track faculty have their own individual offices. Shared space is available for part-time, adjunct, and emeritus faculty. Rounding out our mentoring, students can meet with our dedicated career services advisor, who offers one-on-one sessions to polish resumes and help prepare for job interviews. As home to the Department of City and Regional Planning, New East provides for students' academic, administrative, and career needs.